Welcome students. So today we'll see how to insert shapes in Microsoft Word 2019, how to use shape fill, how to use shape outline, how to use shape effects, different types of effects. Then we have page color, how to use a page color, page border and watermark. So without wasting time, we'll start Microsoft Word 2019. So we start Microsoft Word 2019. Take a blank document. Now, last time we have seen the introduction of Microsoft Word 2019, the basic features, the introductory features of Microsoft Word 2019. So this is a blank page. So how to insert shapes? Okay, so click on insert option, that is insert tab. So you'll get a different ribbon bar. Click on shapes. Say suppose I want a nice shape over here. Select a shape. Okay. Now, once you draw a shape in this blank document, automatic you will get a format tab which will be highlighted, open, or you can see this ribbon bar. So click on shape fill. We can insert any color. See, you can insert, just drag the cursor on the color. Automatic you can see whatever color you want. Say suppose I want a picture effect. Okay, I say suppose I take this color, red color, I take this other color. Okay, and same thing, I don't want this yellow, orange color. Okay, whatever color is this. So I don't want this color, I want to put a picture in place of color. Again, click on shape fill. Select red color if you want, take a red color. Say suppose I don't want this red color. Select on shape fill. Select select on whatever. Say suppose I want different types of color here, gradient colors. What are gradient colors? Okay, we have seen in each standard. Okay, merging of two colors. Okay, are called as gradient colors. Or we can use texture effect. So we can use this texture effect. See at the background what happens. Okay, this is called a texture effect. Say suppose I want a picture. I want a school picture over here. So how do I do it? I click on shape fill. I click on picture. Click on from a file. Go to pictures. Say suppose I have picture on my desktop. School is not there. Okay, I select picture and I say insert. Can you see? Understood? How to insert picture in a shape? How to insert gradient fill in a shape? Understood, students? Click on the shape. If you want to change this picture, click on the shape. You will get a format tab open. Otherwise, the format tab will not be open here. Can see this format tab? Click out. This format tab is gone. Click on the shape. The format tab will come back. Okay, and you can select different colors. You can select pictures. You can select gradient fill. You can select texture. Whatever you want, you can select in a shape. Similar way, say suppose I want shape outline. I want a different color for the outline. I select red color. Okay, see, the shape outline will be red. Can you notice this red color? This is called a shape outline. And then we have shape effects. Click on shape effects. Okay, we have so many options. We have shadow. See what happens. See, you can see at the bottom shadow. Just move the cursor. So suppose I want glow effect. Okay, see the glow effect. Look, see the glow effect. Okay, this is set to be glow effect. Many options are there. See, this format tab is not highlighting. Click on the shape and automatic the format tab will open. Click on shape effects and you can do many options over here. See, 3D rotations. Okay, many options over there. You'll need to practice. Okay, you need to practice whatever you want over here. Understood? So this is called as how to shapes. Okay, how to insert shapes, how to put shape fill colors. Okay, how to put shape outline, how to put shape effects. Understood? How to insert shapes? So you have to click on insert. Again, click on shapes. Draw any shape. Okay, draw any shape. Okay, select whatever you want picture, you want gradient fill, you want texture, whatever you want, you can select. Then you can even select shape effects. Many effects are there in this. Okay, see, understood students? Now we'll see how to insert page color. So go to design tab. Under design tab, at the right hand side you will get watermark, page color, page border. We'll see all these three. Okay, so first we'll see page color. Click on page color. Select whatever page color you want. See here. See. Select and remove the cursor on the colors. Automatic the page color will change. More colors. Okay, or fill colors. Or fill effects. Many things you can take. Say suppose I want two colors. Say suppose I want vertical. Or I want diagonal. And I want to change this color. Okay, I want to make it two colors. Take the color. Say suppose I want this blue and the second I want red. Okay, and say okay. See, you get two colors. Understood what is page color? Select on page color. These are called as single color. More colors, that is you will get a mixture of more colors, and then fill effect. What is fill effects? You can take two colors, you can take one color, whatever you want. You want diagonal, you want vertical, you want horizontal. Select the colors over here. Then we have texture effects over here. We can take texture effects also over here. Patterns also we can take. Pictures also we can take. Understood? So you can browse any picture. Select picture. Say suppose I select one picture. Click on from a file, and I see school. Insert, and I say okay. Can you see? The entire page became SFX school. Understood how to insert page color? How to insert page color? Then go to fill effects. Use gradient fills, that is same single color, two color we have done in 800 in PowerPoint. Gradient colors. We can select two colors. Then you can use texture. You can use this. Okay. You can use patterns for the page color. You can use picture. I have selected SFX school. Understood students? What is this? Page color. So I am selecting single color now. Okay. I'll select single color. So now in this single color, after seeing the single color, I use page border. Select on page border. Select whatever borders you want. Say suppose I want a nice border. Okay. I select this color. I select this border. And I select a color. I select a red color. And I say okay. Can you see? This is called as page border. Many borders are there. You can try out. Many colors are there. You can shadow is there, 3D is there, custom is there. You can select one, select the color and say okay. Say suppose I want nice design instead of lines. Okay. Click on art. Say suppose select anyone. Say suppose I select anything. Okay. And I say okay. See. Understood? What is page border? You can practice all these options. And there is an option called watermark. What is watermark? Watermark is used when, say suppose I have given you assignment and I don't want anyone to copy it. So what usually your students does, you will Xerox it or you will print it out and you submit it. Okay, last moment. Okay, you will go to Rahul Stationery, you will go Xerox and you will come and saying that I have done. So watermark is basically you can put your name on a page. You know, it will give a watermark effect, light effect. Even if you Xerox, your name will come. Okay, so that the content cannot be copied. So click on watermark. Click on custom watermark. Okay, say text watermark. Type a name over here. Say suppose I write SFX. Okay, select the color. Say suppose I want yellow color. Okay, and I say okay. Diagonal or horizontal you can try and say okay. See, this is called as watermark. Understood how to put watermark? So what we have learned today? We have learned how to insert shapes, how to use shape fill in different forms, single color, double color, picture in the form of picture, shape outline, shape effects. So many effects are there. Okay, all this will get in a format tab. Okay, once you click on shape, you will get it on format tab. And then we went to page color. Different types of page color we have seen. Okay, two colors, single color. Okay, the picture background for the page, then page border. In artifact also we have done page border and watermark. Okay, that's it students in this video. I hope you all have understood. Practice at home, stay safe. Thank you students.